Good morning, everyone. My name is Satyavat Mitra. I'm from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and my topic is semi-automatic sewing machine. So these are all our batch members, Mr. S. Sudarshan sir and Mr. S. Bhuvendra Vandan sir, R. Naveen, S. Gautam, and Satyavat Mitra. So what's our objective? So our main objective is to plant the seeds in linear kind and recommend row to row spacing and to cover the seed with soil automatically. So the basic function of sowing operation is to put the seed and fertilizer in rows at desired depth and seed to seed spacing. Cover the seeds with soil and provide proper compaction over the seed. Next, introduction. So first point, farming method consists various methods. For small holding farmers, it will be difficult, depends on climatic changes, improper irrigation on land, and time consumption too, which is obvious. Hence, we made a solution to farmers such as land preparation, planting seeds with proper alignment and covers with soil. By doing so, we identified some problems. The problems were loss of agricultural fields, which is a common problem nowadays, lack of human power, which is obvious too, unexpected price rising, and new invention with high cost, which is unaffordable. Now required components, which are required: mainframe, base, hopper, hopper machine. So what does a hopper machine do? Why it is essential? A hopper is a large cone-shaped container used in industries to hold a particulate material like dust, gravel, nut, seed, etc., and then dispense them from water. They are made of steel. Next is screw conveyor. So screw conveyor is basically its function is to push material as screw rotates in fixed pipe or housing using helical screw blades. Ball bearing, we all know what is ball bearing. Seat tube. Seat tube is just it carries seat from device to the boot. Motor, battery, and plow. Plow, primary. This tool is used for loosening and turning the soil before sowing seed. So there are two types of plow: primary and secondary. So primary plow. The primary plow is used to attain a reasonable depth of soft soil and kill the weeds. Secondary plow reduces the soil to a final tilt, level the surface, and as well as are used to control weeds. Next is photographies of required components. As you can see, this is a screw leaf which is used in screw conveyor. This is a ball bearing and this is a plow. This is a hopper design. As I said, the hopper is a large cone-shaped container. This is you can see it's a container uh, shaped in cone. Next slide. This is a seat cover which is at the bottom of the hopper. As you can see, this is the assembly view of design of a hopper. So from here at the top, the materials are being added automatically for dust particles. The entire it enters the hopper. When the material in hopper reaches capacity, it is released through an opening in the bottom, which is around a diameter of 6 to 8 mm, and then the seeds are being separated. This is the working method. Fill the seeds into the hopper, as I said, made an external pull, pass over the seed to the seed tube, uh, and then row to row arrangement of sheets. It's a simple process. This is a completion of screw conveyor. These are that screw leaf which are being used in screw conveyor. This is a photograph of a hopper. And now we go on to the next, which is application advantage. Application. So the first point is this machine is not only used for sowing rhizome seeds, but also used for the purposes like grains. Yes, but this is used as a machine for plowing by disassembling the hopper attachment. Next one, it can be used for planting cereal crops with some modification. Now advantages, well, this planter will be more affordable to a small holding farmers, easy to operate, and skilled persons are not required. If you know a little bit about this, it will be easy to operate, and obviously it will help to increase production rate a lot. Now we talk about results. Human takes 20 hours to plant in a 100-meter length and 100-meter breadth land having distance of 0.2 meter between each rows. But for a machine, it takes only 2.5 hours for the same area and distance of land. For maize, it takes 30.5 kilogram per hour. The specific volume of maize is 760 kilogram per meter cube. But what do we see here? That a machine is 8 times faster than what a human can do. It takes only 2.5 hours, where a human does in 20 hours. So obviously, the time consumption will be less, the production will be more, hence they will be the production will be more, hence there will be more earning for the farmers. And that brings us to the end. So thank you everyone for this opportunity, and I would like to end it here. Thank you.